Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Affirm's credit score simulator. So there's going to be a really quick video. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Affirm's website and sign into your account. Now once you're signed into your account, you just want to click on credit score simulator. Now you're going to provide your personal and financial information, including your income, employment status, and your credit score. And that's going to simulate different credit scenarios, such as opening a new credit account or making a late payment. Just simulate whatever scenario that you want to see how that's going to affect your credit score. And you can review the results and understand how these different credit actions are going to affect your overall credit score. And you can also adjust the simulator to reflect your individual financial situation, so that's tailored for you. And it helps you to review the simulator's recommendation. You can review that recommendation to improve your credit score. And also consider implementing the recommended changes, because that's tailor-made for you and it's going to help you to improve your credit score overall. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Affirm's credit score simulator. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.